Here we've got DOOGEE S50, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it's Google Chrome right here. Then tap on the More icon, which is usually 3 dots one in the right upper corner, but once you have any update to do, it's the red icon right here. And then select History. And now just click on Clear Browsing Data, the blue tab here, and you can pick some basic and advanced options. So under basic you will find browsing history, cookies and site data, and also cached images and files. And then in advanced you have a few more, and these are saved passwords, out of inform data, and also site settings. So if you would like to, for example, stay with your passwords, smoothly unmark them, but I would like to delete everything, and then just pick the time range. So click here and then pick the period of time from which you would like to remove the history, and I will pick the last option, which is all time. And finally just tap on Clear Data, and that's it, you've just did it. Click on OK, got it. And as you can see, there is no longer history here, you just clear browsing history. So that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.